welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments. Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of my YouTube channel. And today we will be on the topic of Mr. Vegas and Spice surrounding the incident with Ramesh, Moya and TJ. Now, a lot of people have come out to give their opinion on what has taken place, and a lot of people are hurt by what they have seen in the media, and rightfully so, because they have a right to feel how they feel. But sometimes I think a lot of people, they come out when it's convenient. Like, you hear these things happen all the time with other celebrities or other well-known individuals, but you don't see this person come out the same way for everyone. So it's like you stand up for this person because you might have an agenda against that person. You and that person might have beef in the past or what have you. So you just feel like now it's time for you to come out. But nevertheless, Vegas and Spice were on a TikTok live, and I'm gonna insert a clipping of the exchange that took place between Spice and Mr. Vegas. So we're gonna be staying tuned to listen to what they're saying.
No, me have a talk when me ready to talk. When me ready to call me call me. Me not call it on your.
No, you're saying me have tried to turn this away. So you come and interject those things.
Oh, thank you. When you want to say about Spice when he was
finished last time, it was until we heard your thing. Did you say anything when Gaza Kim get beaten?
You didn't say no. When should he get the beat? You didn't say no. Because you is an artist in a music business. Me say you didn't say no. You can't trick me with Vegas. You don't like me for no reason. You never said no when should he get beat now. You did talk?
Yes.
You never said no.
Yep.
Mr. Vegas, you are a legend. Please, to end
Did you say anything? Did you say anything? Did you say anything when Maka Diamond come out and say she get beaten at Shocking Guy's yard?
When me did get beaten, you did say no. Remember beating man, the box.
Yes. On stage two. On stage two. Baby shot, everybody burn out beating man.
Me did get boxed down. You did come out from center, since that you walk around the road with me. Because I'm not going to realize that here's the history of this.
Yes, we did.
So guys, you have heard the heated exchange on the live, on TikTok lawyers live, between Mr. Vegas and Spice, and a lot of emotions were brought into it, and it got very heated, to me especially, on Spice's part, because Spice has a point. I'm not saying she doesn't have a point. She has a strong point. And Mr. Vegas also has a strong point on it. But Spice probably have to learn to speak in a more calm manner, so that people won't think she is cussing, or people won't think she's arguing with the other person. But that was a heated one. Let me know what you think about what they were saying in the comments, and we're gonna be seeing some more. I'm gonna be inserting a clip. I think the next clip will be of Mr. Vegas. He's responding to that live that they were on. So he's doing a video where he is speaking on the live that he was on Spice.
He make himself subjected to criminal investigation. And you
out upon the battlefield, all of a sudden now ready to fight for victims of abuse. And how the man could have dead and the girl could have dead and so Gaza Kim no could have dead too. You never in a dance fully them time there. You never say Gaza fully them time there. You did put out a statement through your publicists and say you condemn the actions of anyone involved with the beating of Gaza Kim. Profit, disgrace. When now I hear from God, God never know you them time there. Repent from that before you come and tell Romy she repent. You see the problem here is, Romy should bring somebody in this space will become a competition to you. Competition to you. And you're still bitter. You still a carry belly from that. All the things then where you come out and talk about Romish do this and Romish do that. All of those things that you concoct to get sympathy and to further dig in grave to bury him faster than like him a Muslim. You want to bury him quick and fast before he can get no forgiveness. The same God will forgive you to turn a blind eye and a deaf ears to Gaza King. The same God can't forgive Romish or one different God we are talking about. When you came out the other day, you come put out your little full album. Hee-ha, Seesaw, FIFA. Where you gas up the promotion and gas up the numbers them and gas up everything about it. And drag back the little girl will come to you, come say, your baby father violated her sexually. And you run from interview to interview to interview on the biggest of platform, they must say the little girl thief your man. When the little girl confided in you privately that your baby father violated her. You did care about victims? You and your bestie them not drag me left, right, center, all to wanna reach over Billboard magazine with my name. Wanna not drag me left, right, center, beat me, say me enough, say me chat too much, say me. You did care about victims them time then? As a matter of fact, no, you did say you believe the girl. When it suit you, when it did suit you, because your baby father a war. It did them time that it was okay to bash him, to dig for him grave because you and him in a war. But as soon as the war over, you want to start a new war with the little girl who come to you, who used to dance for you, who used to be on the road with you. And you come and you go on every interview and tell the world, say she thief your man and take your man. You did stand with her. You know, exploit her situation to sell album. And you're bigger up in your feelings, you are ugly than you come out there, they are Bono Chensia, so she get nominated for Grammy. Oh no, so you and Tifa played a role in Ladies Are Leading Dancehall. You think we don't remember when you and Tifa, you and Tifa, after Ladies Are you everywhere? Everywhere Ladies Are when she had you and Cecilia and Ladies Are, because we did in the road them time there. You have one next to you are this new creature, totally designed and redesigned by God. Knife and scissors can't make you a better person. It have to start within you, in your heart and your soul. How much alter your altar, that now go make you a better person. It have to start within. Talking about God and your prophet and Romish to repent. And you to repent. You get the run. You get the platform. You get the people's attention. And you did arm around the sisters them in a dance hall say they get abused. You come now because you find it convenient because everybody a beat Romish. You come now. One thing you can't go around, you and your blues them, you and your blue clan. One thing you can't go around is the truth. You cannot go around the truth. This convenience, selective outrage, this selective morals on always put on display. You not fool me because I'm there and live it and see it. I'm there and live and see how Lisa Hype suffer from Stockholm syndrome. You did put an arm around Lisa Hype. Who you lifted up, bro, here? Which sister you lifted up? All me see you do, I try bring down one and say, you're a baby father, money, sir. Show me a sister where you put on your back. Will come out and say, she was abused violently in an industry. I can do no research. We stand up with the whole of them. We come forward.
So guys, you hear Mr. Vegas is giving a more deep explanation about his stance on the situation, because he's saying when they did that to Gaza Slim, when Gaza Slim was beaten about 15 or so years ago, them say Gaza Slim, she got beaten till she pee herself, till she wet on herself. Like grown men were treating her really bad, and that I think Spice was a part of that, because Spice them wasn't on the Gaza thing, and you know how that thing surround where they say such man saying people for sort out Gaza Slim and them beat her up bad and do her bad, but and Vegas is saying Spice was in the circle. Spice didn't come out and say anything when Spice baby dad was accused of raping one of Spice's daughter. Not her daughter, I'm very sorry. When they were accused of raping one of her dancers, I should say.
Them, Gaza Kingdom, the whole of them from day one. Me I said, fuck it one. So save on a little self-righteousness. Wanna come with now because you know we want to say Romish fear. You and your blue squad need to repent before you come tell people about repent. You and your blue squad need to understand say I know all of we are idiot. And just like our Romish, according to you, have a team of people who go out and bully people and knock up in a people chat and send out message and gang up on people, you have that too. You have your blue squad too. As a matter of fact, Romish should do it covertly. You should do it overtly. You have about 5 million of them on the internet. You co-sign pretty than for cuss people, ugly than for cuss people. You endorse ugly than. When ugly than they attack all manner of things about the sisters them, you co-sign her. Where ugly than have to say good, but out them sisters in a dance hall and you co-sign her. You come out about victim and stand up with victims now. Huh? You know, wrap up arm around ugly Dan. Conversation here. None. You and the blue team now have no moral authority on the conversation here. Show me the evidence of you standing with Maca Diamond when she come out a ball out and Peter run a shocking vibes. Show me the evidence of you standing with Gaza King when she said them kick her till she piss. But I running out to see everybody a beat Ramesh, and because you're jealous of Shensia's success. It is what it is. You work hard to where you are according to you. She works very hard to where she's at. So stop use your jealousy to milk the situation, to profit off the situation. Go have a seat back of the class, you and your blue squad. No talk when you're not having this. People who are genuinely concerned about violence against people speak. So Ramesh, you have a lot to deal with. But remember, the same God when you call upon for forgiveness, you can call upon him too. You see them say, yeah, put Christian song back a your apology. The child molester them can put Christian song behind them apology and stand up behind Jesus when them violate people picnic. Then can go join church and use God. But you can't put a Christian song in your background. The shaky people who are on the internet every day can't say them a prophet. And I use God to milk the people them little money where they have. But you can't use Christian song. You see? But just remember, say, you and your relationship with God, now nothing to do with them. If you genuinely care about what you do, feel F up about what you do, you and God know, brother. So don't stop the good because of what happen now. Fix things with the youth them. You see? You have the platforms and you have the outlets can make a difference. You see? So just do an outreach program. And remember, he who has no sin cast the first stone. Take that and run with it. Cause hit them run with when they F up. You see? Continue to Google youth. Don't make one situation destroy you. You see?
So you hear what Mr. Vegas has to say. According to Mr. Vegas, Spice always come up and talk about praying and asking for forgiveness and all of those things. And Mr. Vegas saying just like how Spice would like to get forgiveness, it's the same way Ramesh can get forgiveness from the same God that she's always talking about. And that is true because every sin spelled the same way. So Mr. Vegas, I say, he's always coming out and speaking up on certain matters, but people only come up and speak out when it suits them. And because she was saying she's a victim as well in the situation with the dancer and her baby daddy, I don't think she was a victim in my opinion. But who am I to say? Well, it's just my opinion. But Mr. Vegas explained his points. What he
don't know where the money them a come from and who I get the pay. So me now go quiet in here. So this week we not go think say me mad cause if somebody ever send me something say no call me name, me I go answer. I wanna go from there. Good morning, besties. Good morning. Good morning. What else Vegas say? You're looking young and fresh. Thank you. Somebody said justice for Maya. Same way so. Same way. Last night me done. First of all, we're not going to talk about, just because Nikki post Maya, go and ask Maya to look in our DM from when me DM her. Ask question. It's not hard to do. If you want come report something to the public, get your facts together first. Look how long me I talk about this man. Me first talk about the man before him create the incident with TJ and Maya. Me first talk about him. So how is it now I act like say I'm only talking about him because something happened when me first talk about him? That makes sense? I wanna move from them, man. And don't take the set for me. Don't take the set for me. But I'm making the incident about me. Yes, things happened with me. Things happened with me. Vegas, you come talk about me and make it look like say, shows did happen. You did keep show with Ramesh. Me did keep one with him. Me did keep one with him. Me did question him. Me did ask him about things on the paper. Me can talk. But you act like say, me and him work together. We do things. So if me want to come say, wait until the people them start look pan the paper where you put the whole heap of expense span. Me can't say it because him did give me one paper with whole heap of expense span here when me start question so this you double charge me for this and this and all that. Where you act like me not talk about my experience. Go from there and come make your daughter take a picture with me and allow me and lift up half of my name, man. You not take no set for me. You not tell me what else him say.
So you heard what Spice has to say. Spice say if anybody call her name, she's going to answer because she's not going to just sit back and let people drag her on the internet and stop her from speaking her truth. Her truth deserves to be heard as well, and nobody's not going to stop her. And if Mr. Vegas come back for her again, she's going to reply to Mr. Vegas. So I'm just hoping that these people can see where the issue lies and what the main topic of the whole thing is. And it's just that it's as clear as day that in the entertainment industry, people have been undergoing a lot of behavior that is not good. You know, a lot of things have been happening to a lot of people, and they have to put up with it because they're trying to reach somewhere, or they have to keep their mouth closed. Sometimes it's such a difficult environment to be in, and I myself would not want to be in an environment like that where a card to Spice being the man backs around. You know, somebody backs and you could just take the back so you can't say none. You know, I just find those things very strange. Like, it is really strange for when I hear about these kind of situation, abusive situation, and what people has to endure. But Spice is gonna be Spice, and Mr. Vegas is gonna be Mr. Vegas, and me I go be me and you I go be you. Everybody's gonna have their own opinion, but at the end of the day, the main point is the abuse of people, of women and men. And that needs to stop.
And come talk about them thing there. When I come now with a fake outrage. You ever reach out to Lizard mother yet we lose our son? And we know they have to say who dirt him. But we know saying dead. And by law, after 7 years, you can't find a body that is basically what it is. You think someone can fool all the way and silence all the way? Silence all the way? You think say what? So what? Someone not afraid of Ramesh, but me afraid of you. We're not afraid to come out now, come show the dirt pan Ramesh, should cover him up. But me afraid of you. The whole of we have one life. Sure, we have video where you go sit down with Lizard mother. And say, Mommy, we don't really know where we're going, you know, but you lose a son. And we know say it must be painful. See 100,000 here. See $1 million here. Buy a little grocery, look about your health. You ever do that yet? All of a sudden now, we don't care about who I get beat up and who I get boxed down. How much selector you to know get boxed down in a dance hall? But we don't outrage upon them thing there. And when I go tell me now, say it's a different era now, it's a different time now, and we never have social media them time there. But we did in a dance hall, and we know, so we never say nothing. We've been around, you know. And one youth in a dance hall, me and him not take tea. We don't like each other, me not like him not like me, a youth named Bounty Killer. When no boy can't step off and say them are going to lick Vegas or Lexus in them face, because first thing man say, yo, where are the man? Loud that man. Him not make no man go violate you from them the days from him a war with. He use words and bring we down. So we can at least live to fight another day. We have to just pull up with socks and work hard, and somehow we falter by the wayside. A man like me will decide, so I'm not going to make words bring me down. I work harder, so I could have make something out of music. But him never yet press a man button to come violate one away.
So guys, you hear what Mr. Vegas is saying? Whenever things are taking place, when things have taken place, when horrible things have taken place, a lot of people in their industry, in his industry, they have been, if they are not witness to stuff that happens, they know the things that happen, but people pick which side they want to go on. Because in the case with such man and Lizard, it's like they must say, whether he's not saying who is guilty or who is not guilty. He's just saying, just like how you're reaching out now to something that happened to someone. Have you ever reached out to Lizard family? Because they have lost a son, they have lost a relative regardless of whatever he was alleged to be involved in. But no, he's saying that obviously she didn't do it because she's connected to such man. Understand? He further talk about with Macadamia, and you heard all the stuff that Vegas was saying. And I must say that Mr. Vegas have a point, and people need to speak up about everything. You cannot be selective because you have friends and you don't want to speak up on what the atrocities that your friends have done. Because if you keep on hiding that, then what?
He could never be a doctor. We're doing a COVID test for me. I see him say him abuse me. He might do the COVID test for me and he put him hand in my face. And push by my head and me beat by my head and say, oh, I saw you do COVID test. Why you put your hand in my face? Oh, look like you know, push something far back in my nose. Oh, the blood clot and everything. Get the blood clot out of my chair. And he start going the way I'm frightened now. Me say, me jump up and I say, what kind of doctor this? And I saw me reach in my bag and take up my phone because I want video because at one point I thinking that work for Tristan Tufton. And by the time I take up my phone to start record, oh, the man a behave with me one box in my face. And the same people them out at airport, they and see now. But they act like I never know because they're so immune to such a violence against women in Jamaica. And you know when turn around and say, oh me beat him and him a sue me. And then guess what? Him have a witness, you know. Where him have to pay some money out of where him a sue me. To contact him to say yes, me, you know, the woman beat up the man. But the witness I go act like he never see when the man did box me. I saw mistake. But we already.
So guys, you just heard the incident that Spice just described about what happened to her at the airport. That is, can you imagine? Oh my God. Someone just slaps you in the face. Like, how can a doctor just slap? Boy, Spice must did frightened when that happened. Because me right now just listening to the video and listening to what Spice is saying. Like you see, we need to get rid of this thing out of the culture. It's like these things are ingrained in our culture where we think it's okay to put hands on other people. Like, why do we think, why we need to get rid of that? What a terrible thing to have happened to her. I am so sorry
No
she
one
had
thing.
experienced
Me no know
that.
who name
No.
Andre. Me no business. Why you not allow Andre if it do that? Why you send Andre go back somebody where you're there on live with regular? What kind of badness you are push? What the outcome when you did that look for? You want to become the new Dodos Fiad? A badness you promote? You're not setting an example for them rankers here and none of them famous TikTokers here. If this is the behavior where you are promote, what Jamaica need better from you as a big mash mouth man? You would need to act your age because you really not act like that. Eh? Why wanna do that to Maya? Why? And you stand up there like one done. And the people them, when they turn up there, video them and assault the man. No could go help the man. And Maya, no at all never want to go help. All I they just want to go kick him too and push down Maya too. So nobody at all never want to Ramesh a big stone, a buckle. Nobody. All I want to do is watch them assault the man. I want to do that video if you can post it to them tomorrow morning. And nobody to help the youth. Them kick him, them box him, them do him all kind of something, bro. Them say TJ did loud. TJ did loud up. So what? Make it loud. Ramesh should move him bumbo clock and go suck out his mother. Ramesh right now pussy what me and the whole of them can talk about. The other day about, yo, this is Dan Ghana blood clot Jamaica me no seeing called Dolly Sunday. You know, me no go nowhere with some pussy wall of me always and humiliate. Butty man Ramesh a waste man. Me don't even go nowhere with them butty man there. Me don't even do that. When I go to Jamaica, I bring my own money with me. Me blood clot that Jamaica, me need money, me call my mama. Oh, I'm telling you, me don't need no pussy clot body. Me don't need nobody to put me up neither. Me don't need no boy to do nothing for me. Me don't need no boy to rent nowhere of blood clot all and keep no party for me. Go suck your mother Remage. Suck out the deepest part of your mother batty boy. Rebel all you to watch yourself. Cause you think of peace and safety, you know good. But do your thing. You do your thing. We don't always think so we don't need core right. We don't need people who are pushing you out in our business. Remage them a leech. And parasite. Them pussy and I help you up. I bring them down. I money them and make off of you. You hear that? So when you see them come over here, so come catch up on the live. I look them and look views too. Who the fuck is Ramesh? What is a Ramesh? Ramesh, if you run back at the whole like TikTok of them and I go on the shoes and I go on the shirt, no boy can buy me nothing. No boy can buy me no pants. And that's Sir Popcorn say. Eh? If just want to live like a bumbo class kettle, every day for everybody live. If you hatty over there, they can do the live, Jade live, Candy live, everybody live. Because he might live off of their steam, he might live off of their heat, he might live off of them blood clot views. I mean talk about him all the while. Every time I tell him about the camel shape blood clot man, who know always I can tell me about, yo, no man that loud man, Remich a girl pitney. Sour slimy mouth, girl pitney, big bitch. You see me? Big blood clot bitch. Can you see it? Remich is not like Sir Popcorn. Me have to take my axe off to Sir Popcorn. Yeah. Popcorn could have. Thanks, Mom. Popcorn could have. But he didn't. Popcorn could have boxed me down, you know. When Sir Popcorn catch me, you know. It could have broke me ass. Them they kick and thump, they were blood clot. I would have baby kick and thump come to here to where we couldn't get that thing. If Sir Popcorn did catch me and decide to flog me, I would be flogged. I would be flogged. I would be flogged, more than flogged. When Sir Popcorn catch me that day, you know, I saw the killing them. How the killing them. Saw a board box. Also a shallow grave. Probably like a small fire. You understand what I'm saying? So when me I tell you no, dramatic display, you're pussy. Right? Because Sir Popcorn, a bad man did a vehicle it. Him could have left me in the hills. Who no could have did a sing, don't scatter them roses till I'm gone. Who no scatter roses for me, fuck on social media, me could have come back. Vehicle it. So last night when me soon don't have them, your man, you know, they run down the man and I beat him. Oh no kill it. Oh no real kill it. You want to be a blood clot killing in a remage. You is not a killing. Remember Sir Popcorn said, go on down where busso then there. Down where morass. Down there so enjoy that. Sir Popcorn never did have to tell me if you go down where busso them. He never did have to tell me if you go down where morass. He could have made me turn in a morass. He could have made me turn in a one busso. But when me do, me left. Remish, let me ask you a question.
So guys, you hear what Pretty Dan had to say, and Pretty Dan have some valid question. Why you send Andre for beat up TJ? And you and TJ was on TikTok a play a match the day before. Like, how does it reach from you and someone online having a conversation, playing match, to the next day, you send people to go sort him out to prove a point. So then come like Ramesh, want turn Dan in the place. But Dan business not fit Ramesh. No, sad, Dan business not fit Ramesh at all. Ramesh take up the wrong. You gone the wrong. You go the wrong route. You need to try and put the help the youth them and show them the right way and show them how to live in a unity. Because unity can work. All of us doing things together is better than each of us tearing each other apart. We have to build together. Each one build one. That's how it should be going. Not say you believe that because you have money now, you've reached a certain level, you can speak to people anyhow, deal with people anyhow. We have to learn how to love each other. People, we have to learn how to love. We have to learn to have genuine love for other human being. We have to have genuine love for other human being. The moment we have that, everything will fall into place. But we have to have genuine love. But why Ramesh have to send Andre to beat up TJ? And Ramesh is a part of the police force. He's a police. What JC? Jamaica Constabulary Force? Yeah. And the Jamaica Constable, matter of fact, they have come out, because on the video that I did yesterday, they did come out and say something, so they really need to do a proper investigation as to why our taxpayers' money is being used to pay someone that is going around attacking the civilians, attacking their own, the citizens that they're here to serve and protect. They are going around attacking these people because another person tell them that, oh, that boy they need a box down. And I can't understand how a grown man attack other from another grown man. These are not men. These are not men at all. Because this should make Ramesh look like him a promote some violent business, some danmanship. Is like being financially secured is not enough. You have to be a Dan on top of that. But what is it? Well, I was gonna say, what is the lesson Ramesh should want to teach TJ? But to me, in my opinion, me dan say he want to let all of the rest of TikTokers them know that them not pass them place, because he done it at a fellow TikToker event, at Rebels event, in front of many TikTokers. So obviously I show them say, if you're this, at this you go get. But, look good for you, Ramesh, because corporate are get involved now. So, look good, huh? Yeah. Spicy, like her because of Shensia. But what make everybody can win? Because Spice songs them different from Shensia songs. So you're gonna have me love Shensia song them, and I love some of Spice song them. You know what I mean? Even though I'm a Shensia fan, I love Spice song them still, but everybody can survive. Everybody can survive. Everybody gonna have them fans. Why you think you need to beat down on somebody to uplift another person? Guys, this is just, it's not looking good for Ramesh. And I think TJ, me hear like word on the street is that TJ get him lawyer involved, and if that is what he wishes to do, he's in his right to do it because he was the one that was assaulted. So whatever he think is best for him to do, he need to do it. But on top of that, people need to know the type of people they are surrounding themselves with, because it's not everyone is your friends, and a lot of people only come close to you because there's something for them to gain from being close to you, even though financially they may have more than you, but yet they see something in you that would be beneficial to them. But Ramesh must take this as a learning lesson, and I hope everything work out for him, and hope everything work out with Moya and TJ. And people need to, when these things happen to people need to speak out. Witnesses need to come out and speak, and let us get rid of this thing that is taking place in our lovely, lovely society. Anyway, guys, thanks for listening, and remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Peace.